Welcome to Caching Waves. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the micro of Cardano. Real quick on the daily, had an impulse up, looking for this correction to complete around the 618 at 12.75 cents. Other targets in that area is the 1.618 of our first A wave down for our C wave, and also if this ends in a ending diagonal, targets for the third is 16.65 cents at the 618 extension of the wave 1 off the 2, and our fifth wave at the 786, which all lines up around 12.5 cents. Alternatively, we could still be in a flat here as a 335 or a 333 as a WXY, at which point we would expect this second correction here to turn into a WXY in itself, or a flat pattern where we get a small 5 waves down. My primary is the ending diagonal. Other assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum look a little stronger for this move to happen, but currently Cardano looking pretty weak for this move to happen up as a flat wave. So my primary is the ending diagonal, and also focused in on this fractal potential. If you look at this area, our B wave in our wave 1 is A, B, C. It seems to be playing out similarly, where we had a 3-wave move up, 3-wave move up. We dropped hard, sideways down, dropped hard, sideways down. So this is potentially a zigzag A wave, and we're looking for another zigzag, and this will end up being a WXY for our third wave. Zooming down to the hourly, looking for this to pivot up for a C wave in the triangle, A, B, C, D, E, or alternatively coming up for 5 waves as a flat pattern, 335. Because of the fractal previously, I lean into this, and I am planning on scalping this, only to the 1-to-1 though. And the reason why is triangles end up being double or triple zigzags. This looks like a leading diagonal and a triangle. So that was our first zigzag, A, B, C, as you can see. This one ended up being a double zigzag or a single. You could have a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then an ending diagonal, or a double zigzag. We have A, B, C, and an A, B, C. So because we have 5 up, it appears, my expectation is this would be a B, C, X, A, B, C for a double zigzag for our C wave, if this is the pattern that is playing out. And if we get more impulsive, we get a 1, 2, 1, 2, I would expect for the flat pattern to play out, where we get a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So right now, planning on scalping this. It looks pretty good for 5 waves. We did get divergence between the third and the 5 as expected in a 5-wave move. We are coming down correctively. All good signs for the long. We're right between the 50 and the 618 of this current move, right there in red. So as of right now, I'm going to take a long on this, but it's strictly just a scalp. I'll only be in it for the next day or two. Stop's going to go at this low, and I am only targeting the 1-to-1. I'm getting out as soon as we hit that. Whenever this low comes in, that's our targets. If the low is in right now, then I'm just targeting 25.98 cents, whichever one's closest between log and linear. 25.94, yep. I'll be targeting 25.94 cents currently, and that is if the pivot is in. If we need to come lower, that target changes slightly, so pay attention on your own exchange if you decide to take this trade. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just what I am doing. So I'm taking the long right now and targeting just the 1-to-1, and that should be a W wave in the C wave of a triangle. The only way I might stay in the trade is if this makes another 5-wave 1-2 at the 618 extension. Most probable areas for a 1-2-1-2 is if we come up to the 618 extension, come back for our correction, and then we take off. So if I see 5 waves in here and a corrective move, I'll probably stay in the trade and expect the flat rather than the triangle. As of right now, just targeting the 1-to-1. Should only be in it for a day or two. Alright guys, if you want more updates on every other asset I cover, check out my channel. Thanks for watching.